Summers are here and tanning is something that we all are afraid of. You often argue with me that there is hardly any sun exposure in your life, then why are you suffering from tanning? A little trip to your groceries can't be ruled out, and that is enough for your skin to tan. Do you know that medically speaking, there are two kinds of tanning? The immediate tanning and delayed tanning. So immediate tanning is the result of UVA exposure that happens within minutes of sun exposure and can resolve within 24 hours. Delayed tanning is predominantly because of UVB exposure and can take many weeks to resolve. Delayed tanning is the reason behind darkening of your skin on exposed part of the body like your face, arms, neck and other areas. So here are 4 remedies that you can try in order to detan your skin. The first one is a no-brainer. Avoid sun exposure as much as you can, especially between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Use broad-brimmed hat, use cloth to cover your face and use eye protective glasses to protect your eyes from sun exposure. Use an SPF, at least SPF 50 plus, especially in an environment where we are facing heat wave, and use a combination of chemical as well as physical sunscreen to protect your skin from UVA, UVB as well as visible light. You can also try for some home remedies, be it your masoor ki dal, buttermilk, multani mitti, chandan, but the word of caution here is do not try ingredients that can be very harmful to your skin like apple cider vinegar, lemon, toothpaste, because these can cause irritation on your skin and result in irritant contact dermatitis. And finally, despite trying all these remedies, if you still want an effective way to detan your skin, we have detan services at Influence. You can try for Pico Sure Laser and Laser Toning that takes layers of tan off your skin within minutes, and with every session you will feel your skin getting brighter and fairer. You can also opt for Spotless Peel and Carbon Facial that not only works on your tanning but can also work on acne and open pores. And for the more resistant pigmentation, you can have a combination of Cosmelan Peel along with advanced PRP that works on deeper layers of the skin and can help in dermal pigmentation as well. So tell me in the comment section, what is your secret remedy to detan your skin? Until the time, be beautiful, be influential.